Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 26th October current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, National Conference on Vigilance and Anti-Corruption. Here, the Central Bureau of Investigation, that is CBI, organizes this national conference coinciding with Vigilance Awareness Week, which is observed in India every year from 27th October to 2nd November. That is, every year we are celebrating, that is Vigilance Awareness Week, which is observed in every year from 27th October, that is tomorrow onwards, to up to 2nd November. Here, the 3-day conference would discuss series of issues including the challenges in investigation in foreign jurisdictions, preventive vigilance, very important, effective auditing, latest amendments to the Prevention of Corruption Act, capacity building and training. These are the issues are included or discussed in the 3-day conference of National Conference on Vigilance and Anti-Corruption. Next one, sanitation. Here, last week we have seen that US President Donald Trump referred to it as a filthy India during the final presidential debate, and India received a lot of unwanted attention. Here, the word filthy means, here the attempt here is to look at the filth in terms of poor or inadequate sanitation and rising pollution levels. If you see the some characteristics or some facts regarding pollution levels, that is state of global air 2020, Indians had highest average exposure to the particulate matter 2.5 in the world last year. Air pollution is the biggest health risk in India as well as the throughout the world also. Here, India contributing to cover over 16.7 lakh deaths in 2019 due to air pollution. Here, World Air Quality Report, that is 2019, India was the 5th most polluted country in terms of population weighted exposure to the PM 2.5 in 2019. If we consider that the other 4 countries or other most polluted countries are more polluted countries, that is Bangladesh, Pakistan, Mongolia and Afghanistan. After that, India stood at the 5th most polluted country in terms of population weighted exposure to the PM 2.5 in 2009. That's why Indians had the highest average exposure to the particulate matter 2.5 in the world last year. That's why US President referred to it as a filthy India. Next one, US state sponsor of terrorism list. Here, on what characteristics US can put the sponsor of terrorism list, and what are the up to now any countries are put under this sponsor list, any country came out from that one. Now in this article we will see regarding about that. That is, the United States can place 4 categories of sanctions on countries part of the list, that is restrictions on US foreign assistance, a ban on defense exports and sales, certain controls over exports of dual use items, and miscellaneous financial and other restrictions. Here, sanctions can also be placed on countries and persons that engage in certain trade with designated countries. Here, if you see that after Sudan's delisting, that means previously Sudan is in the US state sponsor of terrorism list. Now, 3 countries remain with the designation, that is Syria, Iran and North Korea. Here, there is additional point regarding in this one, that is Iran and North Korea also in the FATF blacklist. Not Syria is in the FATF blacklist, but Iran and North Korea is in the blacklist. FATF, that is Financial Action Task Force blacklist. That's why we have to remember these 3 countries, that is Syria, Iran, North Korea. Sudan exit from the US state of sponsor of terrorism list. Next one, Mahesh Kanodia passed away. That is, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed grief over the demise of former Lok Sabha MP and musician Mahesh Kanodia. He was a veteran Gujarati film musician, singer, and former Lok Sabha member of parliament from Patan constituency. Now he was 83, just passed away. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.